Did you know that these strollers that you rent from Disney in the parks are going to be a super hard plastic, not adjustable, and super expensive, especially when you consider what you're getting? Today I'm going to tell you about an option that our family has used in the past to make sure we have a clean and comfortable stroller for the little ones on our vacation. As a travel agent specializing in Disney destinations, I've made it my mission to maximize the magic on your next Disney vacation. Hello there, and to all who come to this happy place, welcome. If you're new, my name is Abby and I upload new Disney planning content every Tuesday and Thursday here on my channel. I'd love to have you stick around by hitting the red subscribe button down below and tap that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. One of the big concerns that I hear from parents that are traveling to Disney World is that something will happen to their really expensive stroller or even their not so expensive stroller on the plane. And this is a really genuine concern because stuff like that does happen all the time. The airlines are not known to be super careful with your strollers when you gate check them. They just kind of chuck them in there. So stuff happening to strollers really does happen a lot. There's one really simple solution that doesn't have to cost you a lot of money and is really easy, and that is renting a stroller. Now, today I am super excited to be teaming up with Kingdom Strollers, my personal preferred vendor for strollers. I've used a couple different ones before, and this one has been the smoothest experience, the best experience, and the easiest experience. So I'm super excited to be working with them on today's video. I would never work with a company that I didn't truly believe had a good product or service to offer you guys, so I highly recommend you check them out. I'm going to have a link in the description to their website so that you can look for yourself, but I'm also going to tell you all about them right now. Kingdom Strollers is actually a Disney featured stroller provider, and this is great for a couple different reasons. Number one, Disney only partners with very select companies, and it's going to be companies that offer a really good quality service for reasonable prices and that have good customer service, because Disney is known for their customer service, so they hold that in really high regard. Disney wants to make sure that their guests are really well taken care of, and Kingdom Strollers knocks that out of the park. They also, being a featured stroller provider, are able to leave their strollers with bell services both when they drop them off and when you return it at the end. So you don't have to actually meet anyone from the company to hand off the stroller. This is one of my big complaints about a different company that I used in the past and was not super happy with. Kingdom Strollers has a huge selection of options, which I'm going to tell you a little more about toward the end of this video. But all of their options are high-end strollers in like new condition. There's very little wear and tear on these. When they do get worn down, they replace them with new ones. The only place you're really going to see a lot of wear is the tires, and it's just, normal wear and tear from rolling it around the theme park. One of the awesome perks to this company is that the padding is removed from all of the strollers when they're returned and washed with Ecolab soap, except for the Bob strollers, which have a different kind of padding and are washed the way that the manufacturer specifies. But it's really good to know that your kid isn't sitting in where some other kid got sick or had an accident. Everything has been very thoroughly cleaned. My personal favorite for the rental is going to be the City Mini. I've been nannying for many years, and one of my families had a City Mini, and let me tell you, it was the easiest stroller I've ever encountered. With one hand holding the baby, wrangling two other kids, I could fold that thing up so fast it wasn't even funny and throw it in the back of the car. The one-handed fold and it being super quick makes it absolutely perfect for Disney buses. If you didn't see it already, I'm going to link my Disney bus video up here for a rundown on how all that works, especially with strollers, because there are a lot of rules regarding strollers. Speaking of rules regarding strollers, all of the strollers on the Kingdom Strollers website are in line with Disney's new guidelines as far as sizes of strollers go. So you will not be turned away at the gate. You will be allowed in with any stroller you choose from this website. The strollers also all have plenty of storage and come with a parent console, which will hold cups, snacks, phones, all of that kind of stuff. You can also choose when you are reserving your stroller to reserve a cooler and a rain cover for the stroller. That rain cover is going to come in handy big time when it starts raining, and the 50 million souvenirs that your kids have somehow convinced you to buy are in the stroller getting soaking wet. This rain cover will totally take care of that and protect your investment as far as souvenirs go. If you want to pay a little bit extra, you can also add a stroller bag clip and a snack tray for the stroller if the stroller is compatible with one of those. Not all of them are, so make sure you check out the options on the site. Kingdom Strollers rents out a lot of different things, not just strollers. So they've got single strollers, double strollers, inflatable toddler beds, full-size cribs that you can rent, and inflatable bed rails. They also have the Liberty Special Needs Stroller, which is an awesome option that holds kids up to 100 pounds or 5 feet tall. All in all, I've had nothing but good experiences with this company. If you have any questions regarding the renting process, my personal experience, you can leave any questions in the comments down below. I'll be happy to talk them out with you, or you can call the company directly. This company has been so easy for me to work on this video with, and their customer service really is just excellent. I'm going to leave a link to the website in the description box. It is an affiliate link, which means that I get a small kickback when you place an order through that link. This just helps to support the costs of running my channel and making these awesome videos for you. The owners of this company are also really great. It's a small family-owned business, and they are exceptional at customer service. So you can always call them. Their website and their phone number are listed down below. You can shoot them an email, give them a call. They'll be happy to help you. If you've been watching my channel for the last couple weeks, then you know that this is part of my Mickey with Littles series, which I will leave linked up in the cards here. It's actually the last video for now. I will probably come back to this series at a later time, but this is going to wrap it up for now. On Tuesday, I'm going to be sharing with you our Disney trip itinerary because we leave a week from Saturday, and I'm so excited. I can't even stand it. But we're going to be sharing that with you on Tuesday, and then on Thursday I'm going to be doing a pack with me video so that you can see all the things that I'm packing to, first of all, beat the heat in Disney, because honestly I'm a little nervous. But it's going to be fine. I expect it. I knew what I was signing up for. But we're also going to be vlogging the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. It's one of the first ones. We're opening Galaxy's Edge on the 29th, and then we are going to the first night of Food and Wine Festival for the Plain White Tees concert. Super excited. So stay tuned. We have a lot of exciting videos coming up. If you haven't already, let me know your thoughts. What do you want to see in terms of content from me? Because I was thinking either doing 2 planning videos a week plus a vlog on Sundays instead of my normal Tuesday, Thursday videos, or 1 planning video and 1 vlog a week until all the vlogs are up. It's going to be a lot of vlogs. It's going to be like 8 or 9. I don't know. We'll see. But they're fun, and I like going back and rewatching them. I rewatch them constantly. So let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. With all that being said, I will talk to you guys again on Tuesday with my next video. Bye!